Hey everybody, my name's Steve Wallace. I'm your instructor for Ecore College Algebra. Um, this is spring 2022. Happy New Year. Just wanted to show you a few things about the D2L course pages, give you a little orientation, and just let you know where you need to go here in the first few days. All right, first things first. Here we are on our course page in D2L, or Go View. First thing you want to do is check the announcements. I'm going to have every week I'll put something out like what to do this week, or what to do week 2, and so on and so forth. And so you want to read those things. That gives you a good idea of what you should be working on, and staying up with our course calendar. I also have a welcome message here with more things that you have to do this first week to make sure that you are oriented. What you have to do to make sure you are counted as attending. First things first, you go to content and the start here stuff. So you want to go through all these things. You'll look at the syllabus. You'll read about the course itself, and at the end there, you're going to take the mandatory attendance quiz, and you're going to introduce yourself. Many of you have already done this already, so that's good. So introduce yourself by telling me your name, maybe put a picture in there. You can see I have an introduction in there myself. You can read mine. Here, it's way down the bottom here, if you want, and it gives you kind of an idea of what I'm looking for there. Doesn't have to be that long. All right. Communication, here's where your discussions are. So if you want to get to the introductions page that way rather than through the content, you can do that one. I also am going to put all my announcements, which, the announcements on the main page will cycle out, but, I'm going to take all those announcements and I'm going to put them here in this From Your Instructor message board, so you have a record of all of them, so you won't lose anything, even if it disappears. Let's see, assessments, quizzes. You'll go there if you to find your tests or proctored exam. This is where you're going to go to see some information about how to register for your one proctored exam, which is the midterm. Remember, it's Ecore policy that you have to do at least one proctored exam during the semester in order to pass. We only have one proctored exam. It's the midterm. So you got to make sure that you, when it's time to do so, register for a place and time to take that test, and you'll do it then. If you go to resources, the calendar, this is a very important thing. I've written here sort of everything that you need to be doing, and the pace. It tells you sort of the pace. So today's the 12th, I guess, and you should be almost done, or very much done, with both the start here, the start here items, and all of lesson 1. So when I say complete a lesson, I mean do all the assignments and the content sections from the content. Do the content, lesson 1, right? You would go through all this stuff, right? Click, make sure you do the readings, the interactive practices, and the Newton homework. So Newton is our homework. Our homework application. That's where you're going to do your assignments for grades. The way it works is if you if you do the problems correctly, right off the bat, then you don't have to do that many problems to pass out of it. If you are struggling, it might take you longer. So don't wait till the last second to do the homework. Okay. Your lesson, according to this pace, I mean, you should also have at least tried some of the Newton homework for that lesson by the time that that thing ends. That way, you'll be ready and on pace to take the associated exams. For instance, lessons 1 through 4 are on the first test, and the first test opens up on February 8th. So you need to be done with lesson 4 and studying for the test, reviewing for the test before this opens. Okay, each exam you take will be the online tests. I'm sorry, are in Newton, and you get two tries, so you can take it more than once. If you don't get 100% on the first try, try it again. Okay. The homework assignments, you get infinity tries to finish them, and you have all semester to get as good a grade on all the homework assignments as you can. But you want to stay on top of your pace to make sure you're ready for the tests that do have strict due dates. If you have any other questions or you have concerns about what's going on, or you get stuck on any of the content, just send me an email using this email application right there. Okay. I will get back to you within a day during the week or within 2 days on weekends or holidays. If it's office hours, during my office hours, you can click on here to chat with me, or you can email me and I'll email you right back. If we need to have a face-to-face live chat, I can set one of those up as well. But I'm only going to do that if you chat me first, and then if we can fix your problem or issue without having to do a Zoom call or anything like that, then we won't have to. But if it's something that you need or want, then we can. All right. Thanks a lot. I will be seeing you in virtual space this whole semester. So good luck.